Welcome guys to another video. Today we're actually trying this new thing out. We got Joashi Productions in the back of the camera.
Yep.
And Slurpee's here joining me.
Hi.
We're going to be doing this new setup and everything of some videos. We're going to be trying this new setup for reaction videos, stuff like that. And I got my cup of ice here for some reason. So, today we're going to be reacting to what's inside the iPhone X. So, we're going to be trying that and everything. So,
What are you doing?
so we're gonna try this and everything, and we're gonna have like the video, one of these sides, either to the left of Slurpee's head or to the right of my head. So let's do this. Yeah. Wait, were we supposed to not put the sound on? Alright. Wow. That's pretty interesting.
That's taking a while.
Because they're really stable. Like, they're pretty hard to break.
Look at that little nut burn. The metal is cutting through and it did have some sparks, so you can actually see the inside of it and then look at the back. We cracked the back glass. I'm sure there's going to be videos on how to fix these and how to repair them, but the latest news has shown that it's over $300 just to replace the back glass.
Really?
Which is a lot of money.
If you are getting this phone, buy a case and keep it safe.
Wow.
Doesn't like it.
That's really
The
impressive.
phone is still working, but we've got an emergency warning. It's hot right here. Let's see if it works now. Oh, it's on. Face ID still works.
Still works.
We've almost gone along the entire side. It is strong metal. It's taken a while. I think we might need to change up our strategy here.
Whoa.
Oh no. Oh boy. It's still working.
Smoke is coming
We
out.
officially killed it. It is dead. We got fire, we got sparks. I accidentally punctured the battery. Do we do a jerry-rig bend test here?
That's stronger than you completely snap it.
First, you place your blade underneath and you gently pry away the glue on the screen, doing it enough to not damage the other parts.
He sounds much more soothing, like I want to fall asleep.
Sliding my pry tool around the edge of the glass, taking special care not to touch the display, which is more fragile than a potato chip.
Are you ready to see what's inside of the iPhone X10?
Yeah. Probably a battery or something. That's my guess.
With my bare hands.
Wow.
That's the way you
That was
do it.
impressive. That was
Here's the two
cool.
batteries. We punctured this smaller one.
The two batteries
This
are
is the
still
first
there.
time ever that has
They didn't
two
like come out or
batteries. Check it out.
break.
There's a bigger one here. There's an extra. It makes it like an L shape.
That was cool.
You can see the lens of his camera.
I will admit, I did not anticipate that we would have such a clean opening that we'd be able to see everything. So you can see on the front of the lens, you have 1, 2, 3 different what look like cameras. The
That's
facial
cool.
recognition hardware is what makes up this area.
Are they gonna take them out? Well,
So the question is, where
that's
does the
really
emojis
hot.
come from?
Yeah.
Right here in this section.
Yes. See, it's poop emojis. Everyone go comment. It's poop emoji. It's poop emoji. It's poop.
This section where the blade is going over, that is your motherboard, all your chips and everything. They stacked them together, which is a new thing that we haven't seen in an iPhone before. So we do
That's
love
cool.
technology. Yes, I love technology. We've been asked so
That
many
was
times
weird.
over the last few years to come
That
up with
was
an
weird.
iPhone.
We cut things open so you don't have to.
We just donated an iPhone 10 to the world to be cut open so you can see what's inside of it. We are going to give one of you an iPhone. We have a unlocked 64 gigabyte iPhone 10. We'll put a link to the official rules and everything in the description.
That's
Comment on this video whether it's ice cream emoji or it's the poop emoji.
Poop emoji! It should be a rule that if you comment poop emoji.
Okay, no, not poop emoji.
Yeah,
ice
you
cream.
said yes!
Ice cream.
You said yes. Everyone heard it right here. Go comment poop emoji. He said it right here. Woo!
Ice cream.
He already said it. Was poop
Wow.
emoji, so they said they're gonna go comment poop emoji because
Cut
of
the
you.
film, just cut it.
No, don't cut it. Just go comment poop emoji. Then we'll probably cut it. Woohoo!
Well, that was pretty cool. That was cool. I really enjoyed that. I didn't expect that they were actually going to like be going to open and stuff like that. That was cool. The batteries, like the way you opened it, you could still see the batteries. I'm gonna be putting the link to this person's channel in the description. They have a lot of views. It's pretty interesting. Their channel is called What's Inside. 5 million views. I'm gonna put a link to the
No,
description.
5 million subscribers.
Subscribers. That's what I meant.
3
3 million
million.
views. So I'm gonna be putting the video in the description, their channel in the description, and yeah. So you might have a chance to win an iPhone 10. That'll be awesome. So yeah, what'd you think of the video? I really enjoyed that. I thought that was really cool. What'd you think of it?
It was good.
It was a good video.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Awesome,
How,
well-
they broke it, but without damaging anything in it.
Yeah, I like how when they
And then we got to see what's inside.
and then the smoke when they're trying to take a battery.
Yeah.
That was cool. A special thanks to Joashi Productions for
Yep, for the
filming this
camera,
for us and everything and being the cameraman. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like, tell your friends and family about my YouTube channel. We have lots of more fun content. Put things in the description.
Make sure your friends and family tell their family.
Yeah, tell their family and friends and stuff like that. So, put comments in the comment section for other videos you want me to do. Basically anything like that. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.